Hey, what's up? Brent from Brenspeed. Thanks so much for watching Brenspeed TV. Today's going to be really cool because it's a 21 Mach 1 PROCHARGED. It's 93 octane, manual transmission. We did a couple other mods, and don't worry, we are going to watch a dyno pull. We're going to go down and take a look. But hey, if you haven't, please subscribe and notify to stay up to date, because if you are subscribed, you know we do so many supercharged videos every single week of Mustangs, trucks, other random vehicles. It's pretty cool to watch, but I have Doug with me. Let's go check it out. All right, this is a pretty basic setup on this Mach 1, but let me tell you, it makes killer power. It lays down over 700 roll horsepower. You're gonna check that out in a minute, but Doug, let's go down and take a look. It's the PROCHARGER, it's the P1SC. We bought this as a stage 2 tuner kit. So you get the nice 8-rib conversion, you get the big air-to-air intercooler. We did DW 95-pound fuel injectors, Kenny Bell boost pump. Of course, Coulter spark plugs, custom tune, a set of Cook's headers, billet oil pump gears, the rear cylinder head cooling kit, because you know I love cooling mods. And I know I'm talking fast. If you have questions about like what did you just talk about, open that description. You will see links to all the parts I just talked about, as well as you can email quote@brenspeed.com and say, what's this cost to get installed? But 21 Mach 1, 93 octane, manual transmission, DynoJet SAE. Check out this dyno pull. All right, check out these numbers. Pretty crazy to think about. We're adding 250, maybe more than that, roll horsepower. Most of these manual cars make about 450 to the tires. Check this out, 720 roll horsepower, peaking at 7,500 RPM. DynoJet SAE, like I mentioned earlier, torque 517, peaking at 6,500. Killer setup. It drives awesome on the street. PROCHARGER's cool on this right here. It's a 21 Mach 1. I love the color. I mean, I've seen a lot of different ones. This would probably be the one that I would have in my collection right here. I really like the black. Wheels look cool. It's a sweet ride. So, PROCHARGER Stage 2 Tuner Kit. That description, you can click on it, open it up, click on that link, see what that kit costs, and of course, what's it cost to get installed. You simply email quote@brenspeed.com, and at the end of this, click on this link right here. A lot of other supercharged Mustang videos you can watch. And don't forget, leave that comment. I would love to answer. Thanks for watching.